In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the cursor in Windows 11. This simple process can enhance your computer experience by making the cursor more visible or personalized to your taste. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the letter I together to open the Settings menu. You will notice a new window pop up on your screen, filled with various options. This step is crucial because the Settings menu is the hub for customizing many features of your Windows experience. Once the window opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see different categories on the left side. This is where you will navigate to make changes. Next, click on Accessibility in the left sidebar. This section is designed to help users who may need additional assistance, but it also includes options for customizing your cursor. Once you click on Accessibility, a new set of options will appear on the right side of the window. You will see various features that can improve usability. This is important because it allows you to tailor your computer to better suit your needs. From there, select mouse pointer and touch on the right side of the window. This will take you to settings specifically related to the mouse pointer. You will notice a few different options here, including styles and colors for your cursor. The mouse pointer settings are significant because they allow you to enhance visibility and comfort while using your computer. After selecting this option, pay attention to the different styles available to you. Now, under the mouse pointer style section, click on the custom pointer option, which is the fourth icon, showing a lime green mouse cursor. This option allows you to personalize your cursor beyond the default choices. Once you click on this icon, you will see new options for customizing the color of your cursor. This step is essential because a custom cursor can make navigating your screen easier and more enjoyable. Next, choose one of the colors listed under Recommended Colors. You can also click the plus button next to choose another color to select a custom hue from a color picker. The color picker will appear, allowing you to choose any shade you prefer. This flexibility is great because it means you can select a color that stands out against your background, enhancing visibility. Once you make your selection, you will see the cursor change in real time, giving you immediate feedback on your choice. At this point, you have successfully changed the color of your cursor. Remember that these changes can be adjusted at any time, so feel free to experiment with different colors until you find one that you love. This little adjustment can significantly improve your user experience, making it easier to see and use your cursor effectively. Once that is done, take a moment to test your new cursor. Move it around the screen and see how it feels. If you find the color is not quite right, you can always return to the settings and make further adjustments. This ensures you have a cursor that truly fits your style and needs. Changing the cursor color is a small but impactful change in Windows 11. It can reflect your personality or simply make your computer easier to use. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to customize your cursor whenever you wish. Thank you for following along, and happy customizing your Windows experience.